bring them on video. सबको लाना पड़ेगा क्या? हाँ? क्या? Ask Rohit to join the live. आ रहा है? क्या? Ask Rohit to join the live. Okay, only you are there, right? हेलो, गुड इवनिंग। तो आज का लाइव हम शुरू कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब तक बाकी सब जुड़ नहीं जाते हैं, विल वेट फॉर सम टाइम एंड देन मे बी विल स्टार्ट अप विद द लाइव। हेलो, गुड इवनिंग। तो आज का लाइव हम शुरू कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब तक बाकी सब जुड़ नहीं जाते हैं। नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाता है। मैसेज आ रहा है, चेक करना। अभी नहीं। I think we'll wait for 10 to 15 minutes. No? Last time also we started by 7:15. Hello, ma'am. You can ping the contact number for booking. Comments में ना. Hello Sunita ma'am. Hello Sunita ma'am. Hello Bubu ma'am. Hello Momita ma'am. Good evening to all. One. Hello, Rinku ma'am. Yes, definitely will be coming up with Tasar sari today. Hello, ma'am. Hi, Sanjukta ma'am. So maybe we are going to start. I'll be just taking 2-3 minutes more so that everyone can join and then we can start today's live. Is the car? Okay. Hello, Polemy ma'am. Hello, Jimpa ma'am. Hello, Kavita ma'am. Hello, Neelam ma'am. Hello, Jasprit ma'am. So we can start now. Okay, hello everyone. Good evening. Namaste. So, welcome to today's live of Mayuri Silk. So, today's live, जो आज का live है, वो तसर sarees पे है. And तसर में मैं आपको आज बहुत सारे डिफरेंट डिजाइन्स में डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशंस दिखाऊंगी. मोस्टली ट्रेडिशनल जिसमें रेड मरून यूज्ड है. एंड आज का जो लाइव है वो रंगाली बिहू और पहला वैशाख स्पेशल है. एंड आई होप यू ऑल लाइक द कलेक्शन. जब तक हम थोड़ा टाइम बाय कर रहे हैं तब तक मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहूंगी कि अगर आपको हमारा बुकिंग करना है तो हमारा बुकिंग नंबर है 6900180688. इस पे आप हमें बुकिंग कर सकते हैं साड़ीज के लिए. And if you're interested for booking in a bulk, that is for a wholesale booking, तो उसके लिए हमारा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर यहाँ पिन भी किया गया, फिर भी मैं आपको बता देना चाहूंगी. कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है 9435398736. सो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना आज का लाइव, जो स्पेशल हैंडलूम साड़ीज पे है, असम स्पेशल हैंडलूम साड़ीज. और असम स्पेशल हैंडलूम साड़ीज में आज स्पेशल असम तसर साड़ीज है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज वीडियो. तो मैं जो पहला साड़ी आपको दिखा रही हूँ उसे हम कहते हैं बोडो मिरी वर्क तसर साड़ी. सो ये देखिए, दिस इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. The work is so intricated and beautifully done. And इसका border and इसका पल्लू आप देख सकते हो, ये पूरा मीनाकारी वर्क किया गया है. So the sari is very light. इसमें you can see जो कलर बूटा है that is green, dark brown, that is the chocolate brown and green. और ये इसका पल्लू है, और कहीं पे आप देख सकते हो कि पिंक भी यूज किया गया है. So you can see the picture from closer view. ये देखिए इसका आंचल है and it is very light. So the price for this sari is 13,800. 13,800 for the sari. Tasar sari from Assam, handloom tasar sari. So the price for the sari is 13,800. और ये इसका ब्लाउज पीस है जिसमें यू कैन सी कि ये पूरा एक बॉर्डर आपको मिलेगा, सेम बॉर्डर. So for booking the sari, you can contact in 6900180688. So the next sari is again a tasar sari. लेकिन इस साड़ी में you can see this is such a subtle combination with again grey and white combination in tasar. जैसे कि ये भी एक different combination है with different design in tasar. So you can see इसमें thread work है with grey and white. And you can see the design, the motifs are different in this. So again, this work is called so ये आप तसर साड़ी देख सकते हैं. So this work is called Miri design. So this is a Miri design from Assam. So again, the price for this sari is 13,800. So the price for this sari is 13,800. So you will be getting silk mark also in this. And for booking, you can contact 6900180688. और जो भी होलसेल बुकिंग करना चाहते हैं, होलसेल के लिए आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं 9435398736 पे फॉर द होलसेल बुकिंग. एंड फॉर द रिटेल कस्टमर्स आप 6900180688 पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So this sari is tasar sari with grey and white motif. So again तसर साड़ी, लेकिन येट विथ अनदर कॉम्बिनेशन. तो आप देखिए इसमें जो तसर साड़ी है, द कॉम्बिनेशन इज इन ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. सो इट इज इन ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. सो ये इसका आंचल है. दिस इज द पल्लू, दिस इज द बॉर्डर, ये इसका बूटा है एंड ये आंचल. So you can pair up with again contrast blouse also with white, with black, or maybe with same color. Tasar ka base color is beige combination, gold combination. इसमें you will get a blouse piece also which has a same border, same border. So yes, in all the handloom sarees you will be getting the silk mark as well. So again, the price for the saree is 13,800. So the next sari of today's live, I'm coming up with again beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gray, black and rust combination. You can see it enhances your complex and makes you feel very, very beautiful. So इसमें भी आप देख सकते हो, again the design is different, the combination is different, the pattern is different, and it is giving you a classy look. Such a pretty, beautiful sari. ब्यूटिफुल कॉम्बिनेशन. द रस्ट कलर कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है इसमें. आप देख सकते हो इसमें आंचल पे पूरे पे वर्क किया गया है. So for booking this sari, you can contact in the given number below 6900180688. Lopa ma'am, yes ma'am, we do have Mulberry silk saris. We deal in all types of silk saris from Assam, that is for Mulberry, Tassar, Eri, and as well as Muga. And apart from this pure saris, handloom saris, we do deal in cotton silk saris also, then cotton saris also. So in upcoming live video, maybe I'll be coming up with all the varieties that are available in Assam silk, that is the handloom saris. In the previous live video, I have already shown, मैंने दिखाया है उसमें मलबरी साड़ीज. इनफैक्ट उसमें मैंने मलबरी के सारे वेराइटीज दिखाए हैं, आप उसमें भी देख सकते हो. और अगर आपको ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करनी है तो आप 6900180688 पे कॉल करके ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग भी कर सकते हो और व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो. तो हम आपको जो कैटलॉग है मलबरी साड़ी का वो भी दे सकते हैं. और मलबरी साड़ीज अगर आपको पर्टिकुलर लेना है तो यू कैन जस्ट लेट अस नो, व्हाट्सएप अस, ताकि हम आपको कांटेक्ट करें. एज वेल एज यू कैन डू online shopping through our website also, which is www.mayurisilk.com. So now coming up with the next sari. Okay, if I have missed the price for this sari, yes ma'am, the price for this sari is 13,800. Yes, Lopa ma'am, the price for Mulberry silk sarees is approximately 11,800. वैसे मैंने अपना प्रीवियस वीडियो में विथ प्राइस मेंशन किया है, सो आप उसमें देख सकते हो. और आप हमें व्हाट्सएप करिए, हम मलबरी सिल्क साड़ीज पे आपको सब डिटेल दे देंगे. So now coming up with the next sari of Tassar, again different combination with different designs, maroon and white. So maroon and white is such a beautiful combination. आप इसको कहीं भी कैरी करो, कैसे भी कैरी करो, ट्रेडिशनल कलर है, ट्रेडिशनल साड़ी है. आप कोई फंक्शन में इसको पहनो, कोई गैदरिंग में आप पहनो, कहीं भी आप पहनो, तो it is really pretty. The motifs are so integrated, clean done. और ये पूरा थ्रेड वर्क इसमें आप देख सकते हो, white and maroon. So ये इसका आंचल है. And I'll show you the blouse piece as well. और all over sarees में, handloom sarees में, you can see buttas. The motif is there, but you know, as you know, it is a handloom saree, hand woven sarees. तो धीरे धीरे दूर होते होते मतलब एंड की तरफ थोड़े मोटिव्स कम हो जाते हैं, लेकिन अदर देन दैट स्टार्टिंग से लेके पूरे साड़ीज में यू कैन सी ब्यूटिफुली द मोटिव्स आर डन. एंड द ब्लाउज पीस ऑफ द साड़ी इज दिस. ये बॉर्डर है इस साड़ी का, ब्लाउज पीस का, सॉरी. सो दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस और उसमें ये मोटिव है. द maroon work one is so beautiful. Yes ma'am, definitely the maroon work is really pretty. In fact, आप इसमें देखिए ये कितना beautifully इस पे ये काम किया गया है. Thank you ma'am. In fact, you know, this is giving me more and more energy to this कि आपको ये बहुत पसंद आ रहा है. So I'll be coming up with different designs and different combination. So the price for this saree is again 13,800. Okay, so coming up with the next साड़ी of Tassar. So अभी तक मैंने आपको जितने भी साड़ी दिखाई है, कुछ मरून में दिखाया है, व्हाइट में दिखाया है, ग्रे में दिखाया है, बट नाउ दिस साड़ी इज इन मल्टी कलर. सो आप देखिए ये मल्टी कलर तसर में with a thread work. It is a multicolor sari. So इसमें you can see blue, hot pink, green color is used. Where again इसमें बोर्डो मिरी वर्क है जो मैंने initially दिखाया था, जो ये same sari was in dark chocolate with white motifs, but here again this is bodo miri design with multicolor thread work. So this is the achal of the sari, and all over you can see इसमें ये बूटा है. It is the buttas, the motifs are spread throughout the saris, and eventually the buttas, this thing is getting little, it's pressed lesser, it gets lesser. So again, you can see the blouse. So in the blouse also you'll get the same border for the design. No discount on maroon work. Yes, ma'am, we have discount in all the saris. If you book through the live वीडियो तो आपको 5% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा अगर आप लाइव के दौरान बुकिंग करेंगे तो, बिकॉज इट्स अ स्पेशल लाइव फॉर पॉयला बैसाख एंड रंगाली बिहू. तो अगर आप इसको लाइव के दौरान बुकिंग करेंगे तो यू विल गेट अ 5% डिस्काउंट एज वेल एज अ गिफ्ट हैम्पर. सो अगेन द प्राइस फॉर दिस साड़ी इज 13,800. 13,800. So coming up with the next sari. So अभी तक मैंने आपको जितनी भी साड़ी दिखाई है सब थ्रेड वर्क में दिखाया है आपको साड़ी तसर पे. So that was all in तसर thread work. So अगर आपको कोई भी उनमें से पसंद आ रहा है, please whatever sarees you are liking, take the picture and you can WhatsApp us for the booking. During the live, if you book the sarees with us, you will be getting a gift hamper as well as 5% discount. Tasar with maroon combination. Yes, Paulomi ma'am, I have already shown you the Tasar and maroon combination. Hello, Nandini ma'am. Yes, ma'am, the live started few minutes back, that is 10 minutes back. So we are done with Tasar and thread work sarees. Tasar with thread work. So now I'm coming up with Tasar thread and zari work. So now the sarees, it is in Tasar only, but thread and zari work. So this is the sari, the border, the thread, and the zari work. Oh, so sorry, ma'am. Nandini, ma'am, she didn't get the notification even today. Yes, ma'am, definitely will be. We have sent you, but definitely I'll be looking forward next time that the notification is done to you. So again, I'm coming back to the sari. The sari is in thread and zari work. The color of the thread is gray, white, and then you have a zari. So you can see the border. And then this is the achal. It is beautifully integrated with zari and thread. Hello, Mayuri ma'am. What type of sari are you wearing? Are there other color option available? Oh, so sorry, ma'am. This I'm wearing today is a traditional costume, traditional attire of Assam. It is called Mekhla Chadar, which comes in 3 parts. The Mekhla is different. Then you have a Chadar, which I can wear like a sari on top, and the third part is the blouse, which you can do. But today, I have done it with a contrast blouse. So maybe in later upcoming live videos, I'll be coming up with the Mekhla Chadar also. So yes, this Mekhla Chadar also, it's a Tasar Mekhla Chadar, but it is a dyed Tasar. So coming back to the sari you can see I have already shown you. If you're liking it, please take a screenshot to book this sari, which is in thread and zari work. So the price for this sari is 17,800. 17,800. So you can see the blouse piece. So the blouse piece is this. You have the borders. So in all the handloom saris, you have the blouse piece which have the borders. as well, जो आपके साड़ी के बॉर्डर पे है. Okay, so the price I've already mentioned, it is 17,800. So again, I'm coming up with traditional color, that is the beige, the golden tasar sari with red and zari. Very, very traditional, very, very beautiful. You can see. Beautifully integrated work, beautifully done. Traditional sari in tasar with red and zari. If the one available or any other color available, let me know. I want to buy one. If this one available. Thank you, Kavleen ma'am. Thank you, Lopa ma'am. Ma'am, hello Mayuri ma'am. Are you talking about the mekhla chadar I'm wearing or the sari which I'm showing? I'm not able to get which one is available. This sari is, yes, this sari is available. And the price for this sari is 17,800. If you book through the video, live video, you will be getting additional 5% discount with a gift hamper. Okay. So now I'm coming up with the next sari. Price what is? So the next sari is white and zari. It has a silver zari. White and silver zari. अभी तक मैंने आपको जितनी भी साड़ी दिखाई थी उसमें थ्रेड वर्क एंड गोल्डन जरी था. अभी ये जो साड़ी मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, दिस इज with white thread and silver zari, and it is, trust me, very subtle, very elegant, and it is beautiful, beautiful, very, very soft. If you like zari, go for silver zari in tasar. It is very, very soft, and it gives a very calm. इन समर्स आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. पहला वैशाख है, बिहू है. आई थिंक इट इज अ मस्ट बाय साड़ी in thread and zari work. The price for the sari is 18,500. 18,500. Yes, ma'am. Okay, the mekhla chadar. Okay, yes, ma'am. I'll be showing you the mekhla chadar as well in the same tasar one. Is this sari, the border is interwoven? No, ma'am. This in this, the sari is not interwoven. It is attached. The border is attached, but yes, I'll be coming up with interwoven borders as well. So this is priced for 18,500. 18,500. So now I'm coming up with a very beautiful tasar sari with golden zari. I must say, tasar sari में जब gold आता है ना, it gives you such a royal touch, and it is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very traditional, very sober. Though it has a golden zari, but very, very sober. इसमें आप देख सकते हो, ये इसमें ये बूटा है, ये बॉर्डर है, and this is the आंचल. Okay, so price for this sari is 18,500. So the price for this sari is 18,500. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Mayuri, ma'am. So now I'm coming up with this is. So again, I'm coming up with traditional sari in red and golden zari. Traditional sari in red and golden zari. which you can see the motifs is different, the buta is different, the achal is different, and the border is also different. So this is a very beautiful sari with a beautiful traditional combination. And the price for this sari is 16,800. The price for the sari is 16,800. So in this, you have the blouse piece, and this is the border of the blouse piece. So अब अभी तक मैंने आपको जितनी भी साड़ी दिखाई है, all the sarees are yes ma'am, the साड़ी is for 16,800. अभी तक मैंने आपको जितनी भी साड़ी दिखाई है, सब साड़ी different designs थे with different combinations. Now I am coming up with Tasar sari, which is one of my favorite, with maroon and black combination. Thread work with maroon and black combination. This is absolutely very beautiful, very traditional, and you can see the achal. It is beautiful, such an eye-catching sari with traditional design, and you can see the motifs. जो motifs है साड़ी में, जो आंचल है उस पे आप देख सकते हो पूरा spread है, and eventually भी पूरा spread है, but जैसे eventually ये lower जाता रहता है, it gets lesser. And it is a very beautiful sari with a maroon combination. Tasar with maroon and black is simply wow. So again, the border for the sari is a blouse piece. The blouse piece of the sari is this. So you can see इस पे ये blouse piece है. So this is the design done in the blouse piece. So the price for this sari is 17,200. So the price for this sari is 17,200. This is amazing sari, such a beautiful, one of my favorite. So now coming up with the next sari. अब जो next sari है, that is तसर में white and maroon, white and maroon, white and maroon. आप देखिए इसमें जो आंचल है, it is very sober. Though it has maroon combination done on the butas, but जब आप देखोगे इसका आंचल, it is very sober in tasar. Fully white पे कहीं कहीं मीनाकारी जैसा इसमें बूटा में fill है, and it is looking beautiful. This is looking beautiful. So the price for this sari is 16,400. 16,400 for this sari. Okay, so this is the blouse. This is the blouse, and you can see इस पे ये design किया हुआ है. The design which is done on the border and the achal. So this is the achal. It is beautiful. The work is done like a jewelry. It's beautiful done, beautiful integrated. Okay. So now I'm coming up with the next Tasar sari. So again, this sari is this is in a traditional color with a red, black and green combination, and you can see इसका आंचल. ये इसका आंचल है. Fully with Meenakari work, with tassels, and it is beautiful. The combination is different. हेलो मैम, यस हमने मलबरी आज मैम हमारा तसर स्पेशल है, हैंडलूम तसर स्पेशल साड़ीज का लाइव है. पिछला लाइव वीडियो में मैंने मलबरी पे किया था, विच इज द पाथ सिल्क ऑफ असम. आप हमारा पिछला वीडियो देख सकते हैं और आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं 6900180688 पे. Could you show me the sarees to your left? Yes, ma'am, definitely. All these sarees I will show. These are also in Tasar, And the first I'll come up with this sari which I'm wearing, which I'm showing you. This is a border with a red and green work. It has a achal fully integrated, done beautifully done. And I'll show you the blouse piece. मैं आपको blouse piece दिखाती हूँ इसका. The price for this sari is, so ये इसका ब्लाउज का बॉर्डर है. एंड द प्राइस फॉर दिस साड़ी इज 13,800. 13,800. सो यस मैम, ये जो साड़ी है ये भी तसर पे ही है, विच इज विथ motif with rust, white and maroon. The price for this sari is, it is again for 16,800. 16,800. And towards my left, this sari, yes ma'am, this is also a tasar sari. You can see this is the achal. इसमें आपको yellow, that is the golden actually, not the yellow, the golden, green and red पे काम किया गया है with the border. And the price for this again is 13,800. The sari which you were asking me, which is towards my left, this is for 13,800. So I'll be coming up with all those saris. Okay, so now I'm coming up with the most traditional sari of Assam, the traditional buta of Assam. The designs, the motifs which you can see. It is one of the favorite sarees from Assam in Tasar. आप देख सकते हो इस पे रेड कॉम्बिनेशन है with different buta borders, again buta. और ये एक के बाद एक ऐसा किया गया है बूटास जो आंचल पे पूरा स्प्रेड किया गया है. And then you can see this is the sari and it is called Miri design. The sari is called Miri design with a border. And then I can show you the blouse piece. The blouse piece of the sari is this. This is the blouse piece of the sari. So the price for this traditional beautiful Meena sari work is 13,800. 13,800. Okay. So now I'm coming up with, thank you, sir. So now I'm coming up with interwoven borders. As Nandini ma'am has already, liked and looking forward to the interwoven borders. तो अभी तक मैंने तसर में जितना भी आपको साड़ी दिखाया है वो फिक्स्ड बॉर्डर था. That is the border which is attached on top of the साड़ी. Now I'm coming up with the interwoven borders. मतलब जो साड़ीज जब हैंडलूम में ये साड़ी हैंड वीव होता है, the borders are also weaved along with the sari. So which is called the handloom interwoven border. So now this is interwoven. This is not attached. So here इसमें जो combination है, you can see it has a combination of powder blue, black and green. That is a bottle green.
And rust. Blue, black.
It has a powder blue, bottle green and rust. The bottle green, it was looking like black, so I mentioned black, but though it is a bottle green with powder blue and rust combination. The pallu is really, really pretty. The border is beautiful. The rust color with a bottle green is giving a wow factor in the border. So now it is very light sari. The sari is very light. The tasar, it is a fluid tasar. This is a fluid tasar, and blouse piece you will see it is in running. It is a running blouse piece. Okay. So सब तरफ आप देख सकते हैं इसमें छोटा छोटा बूटा किया गया है, and this is the आंचल. और ये साड़ी अभी रेडी नहीं है इन द सेंस इसमें टेसल्स नहीं किया गया है. जब आप इस साड़ी को बुक करोगे, the tassels will be done. If the sari is booked through the live video, you will be getting 5% discount as well as a gift hamper for special Rangali Bihu and Poila Bishak live. और आप हमें बुकिंग भी कर सकते हैं, जो कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर दिया गया है 6900180688 पे, या अगर आप कोई बल्क बुकिंग में इंटरेस्टेड है फॉर अ होलसेल पर्पस, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट इन 9435398736. So now I'm coming up with the next interwoven border with a very beautiful, one of my favorite combination with, red and black combination. When I see black, it just goes to my nerves and it feels like wow. So blacks, black is something color which makes everyone feel like you must have in your wardrobe. And the sari is really, really pretty. The border is really beautifully done. It is interweaved. It is just a class. It gives a wow factor. The archel, you can see again this archel. The archel is ready with tassels, and this is the sari. I can show you. Iska blouse. So the price for the sari is 16,800. The price for this sari is 16,800, and ये इसका ब्लाउज पीस है. ब्लाउज पीस में ये इसका बॉर्डर है. Okay. So now I'm coming up with the next interwoven sari, which is the most loved traditional sari of Assam. You can see इसमें जो बूटा है, ये बूटा भी traditionally बूटा of Assam है. The border is bigger. What was the price of the earlier interwoven border sari? Earlier interwoven, 16,800. Which one, ma'am? Just give me the sari again. 16,000. So, ma'am, if you're asking for this sari, this is for 16,800. Sari in my right. Yes, ma'am, I'll be showing you that sari as well. So, coming back to this sari, which is an interwoven sari, you can see iska archel, iska border. It is beautiful, beautiful. Tassar with maroon work. It just gives such an elegant combination. The work is elegant, beautifully integrated. You can see all over पे बहुत beautifully, बहुत neatly ये design को किया गया है. And the tassels are done. You will be getting a silk mark with this sari. And I'll show you इसका blouse piece also. The blouse piece of the sari is this. Same as you can see for the border. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, so the price for this sari is 18,800. So the price for this sari is 18,800. 18,800. You can take a picture of the sari if you want to book, and you can contact in 6900180688. Okay, ma'am. So you wanted to see the sari, which is, on my right. This is again a tassar sari with a multicolor combination with royal blue, red and green combination with a different border. You can see, and all over pe you can see this is the boota. The motifs you can see it is also in green, bottle green, red and royal blue touch. And the price for this sari is the price 13,800. The price for this sari is 13,800. So, I'm coming up to the end of today's live. And before I end this video, I am coming up with the most beautiful tassel sari, which is जो इसे कहते हैं सात माकू, which is the 7 colors. इस साड़ी की खासियत है कि ये साड़ी रेडी नहीं है. इसमें ये बॉर्डर्स है. जो असम की साड़ीज आती है वो ऐसे आते हैं. जैसे क्या होता है इसमें लोअर, these are the border of the sari, the borders. So the borders comes like this. We cut the borders, we paste on top of the layer, and then the sari gets ready with the tassels. Now I'm showing the saris because ये हमारा रॉ साड़ी है जिसमें ये इसके बॉर्डर्स है. दिस विल बी कट एंड द साड़ीज विल गेट रेडी. इस साड़ी में खास बात ये है कि इस साड़ी में 7 कलर्स यूज्ड है, विच इज द 7 माकू, जिसे हम 7 माकू बोलते हैं, 7 सिस्टर्स, विच इज कॉल्ड, यू नो. इसमें यू कैन सी द buttas are in red and, you know, orange. Then you can see bottle green and orange. Then you can see rust and red. Then you can see black and, you know, red. Then you have green and red. Then another combination you will see rust and black. So, you know, all the combinations which you will look beautiful, beautiful, beautiful done. और इसका जो बॉर्डर है वो भी आप देख सकते हो, बहुत ही डिफरेंट पैटर्न में, डिफरेंट डिजाइन, डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ इसका बॉर्डर बना हुआ है. एंड द साड़ी इज नाउ और प्राइस्ड फॉर 21,500 ओनली. दिस इज फॉर 21,500 ओनली. और इसमें जो ब्लाउज पीस है, द ब्लाउज पीस इज अगेन, दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस. ये आप देख सकते हो, ये इसका ब्लाउज पीस है. सो दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस ऑफ द साड़ी. इस ब्लाउज पीस में ऊपर के तरफ आपको 4 लेयर पैटर्न मिलेगा और नीचे ये बॉर्डर मिलेगा. इफ यू आर लाइकिंग दिस साड़ी, यू कैन ऑर्डर दिस. वंस यू ऑर्डर द साड़ी विल गेट रेडी. सो दिस इज द आंचल ऑफ द साड़ी. This is the आंचल of the साड़ी. This is from here, it will be cut down, then we'll put the tassels. So through this entirely, this is the आंचल of the साड़ी. You can see. ये आपका आंचल होगा साड़ी का. Okay, so thank you so much for showing me so much of love, keeping such patience with me, and definitely I'll be coming up with the next live video in the next week. Maybe Nandini ma'am, I'll give you the notification, you know, on a prior notice, and I'll be coming up with more different sarees of Assam, maybe with a mekhla chadar, or maybe with Eri silk, because the summers are near and people will love to wear Eri silk. So maybe in next coming live video, I will be coming up with Eri sarees and Muga sarees. So, you know, just give us love, and thank you all for joining with us today. And if you want to book, again, I'm coming up with the booking details, which is 6900180688. And for bulk and wholesale booking, you can contact in 94353 98733. Thank you. Good evening.